Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode in our product unboxing series. Today we're going to look into the Himi solid watercolor set containing 38 colors. And it also comes with a beautiful Himi round paintbrush. It's a well-designed package which almost looks like a painting palette. Whoa, just look at it. That's a beauty. The paints are diluted using water and the tonal value should vary from dark to light depending on the water mixed with the paint. Now let's look into these beautiful shades by swatching the colors. These watercolors are ideal for beginners and students who are just starting with their watercolor journey. These colors can be used for layering and creating a wide range of tones, and also they give a translucent finish. This set is also available in a blue colored package. This set is compact and lightweight, which makes them ideal for outdoor and on-the-go painting. Hope you find this video interesting and also intrigued by this beautiful set of solid watercolors. You can buy them on our website, thewearts.com. And also, the link to buy this product and our socials are given in the description down below. Do check it out. Thank you.